Welcome to this charming creekfront chalet featuring 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Relax on the front porch and take in the stunning mountain and pond views. The kitchen is updated with newer granite countertops, a stainless steel refrigerator, and a dishwasher, making it a delightful space for cooking and entertaining. The HVAC system was replaced in 2022, ensuring comfort throughout the year. The great room features low-maintenance LVP flooring and a cozy gas log fireplace, perfect for those cool evenings. The master bedroom is conveniently located on the main level, while a loft bedroom upstairs offers ample closet space. The basement provides a 3rd bedroom with direct access to the bathroom, along with a large bonus room that offers plenty of extra living space. A laundry room is strategically situated between the bathroom and bonus room for ease of use. Outside, the basement opens to a concrete patio, ideal for outdoor gatherings. The property sits on over 3.5 acres of beautiful, well-maintained grounds and includes an additional lot with a drive.